Water crisis. In 2015, following years of drought, the governor of California declared a state of emergency and cut water supplies by 25%. In 2018, the city of Cape Town announced Day Zero, a day that not if, but when Cape Town would ostensibly run out of water. And despite Mumbai flooding every year, officials continue to warn of a water crisis, of water scarcity. 3 years, more than 3 crises. What does it mean to live with crisis? And what does crisis talk do? Recent research on water has shown us the following. First, the water crisis is not about water. It is about how people distribute, govern, and expect water in their everyday lives. Water has never been in crisis. It is our imagination and practice of how water ought to flow that is in crisis. Second, crisis is produced by inequalities of distribution. Crisis also produces inequality. It demands the kinds of action that only a few powerful people can participate in. And finally, water crisis demands that we join our studies of technology with those of politics. For it is through the interaction of politics and technology that our worlds are made and unmade. Thank you.